Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Another very solid day on this one. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the green line annotation there is coming from. That's also where the first update is going to be done, and just an adjustment. And the question becomes, right, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data after today, the newest area of support is going to be right there at that 23.35 mark. So not to insult your intelligence, but you saw what direction I adjusted that green line in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see assuming you were bullish. Whenever levels of support need to be adjusted upwards, that is a sign of higher lows, and that's exactly how uptrends are constructed. So moving forward now, the 23.35 mark is going to be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, yeah, the price staying above there, that would make the chart look fantastic. But if the price were to drop below it, does not mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, ideally speaking, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay above that area, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very beneficial because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price continues to do, and that's just build those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.